How to change the cover of the planner. The cover of the planner is this light pink background that you see in the cover page and also in the back of all the pages of the planner. Now we have different ways to change it. The easiest way is if you select one of the slides, select all. We're going to click on the paintbrush icon and we're going to select background. Here you have two options. We can change the background of the planner to any color, or we can go into the image, change image, insert from. I saved mine in the iCloud folder in the folder of iCloud. I hope that makes sense. Sorry. We're going to see. I'm on objects right now. Let me find it for you. iCloud Drive, that's what it's called. Depending on how many images you have in your folders, you might have to wait a little bit for them to load in the Wi-Fi. Oh, I love this one. It looks absolutely beautiful. There we go. So those are the options how to change. You can choose a color or you can choose an image.